Starting your yoga journey can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Meet the Clever Yoga Set, a complete 7-piece kit designed to make yoga easy and enjoyable for beginners. This all-in-one kit includes a high-quality yoga mat, 2 durable blocks, a yoga strap, a mat towel, a hand towel, and a convenient carrying case. Everything you need to dive into yoga is right here. The mat is lightweight, non-slip, and cushioned for extra comfort. The blocks and strap are perfect for beginners learning poses and improving flexibility. And the towels? They keep your practice sweat-free and hygienic. Investing in yourself is the first step towards a healthier, happier you. The Clever Yoga Set isn't just a kit, it's a commitment to your wellness. Check out the link in the description to start your journey today.